Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a simple steps on how to reset and restart the taskbar in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Task Manager. The moment a best match would appear, please click on Open to continue. By the way, you can also press Ctrl Shift and Escape key in your keyboard, and in that way you would be able to bring up the task manager. So here at the task manager, please proceed at the processes, and under the processes, you need to look for Windows Explorer. Say yes, we can restart our taskbar by using our Windows Explorer. So how we can do so? Please locate for it. It might be running under the apps or it might be running under the Windows processes. So simply scroll down and locate for it. So in order to restart the taskbar, all you need to do is you need to do a right click and go with restart. The moment you do it, your taskbar will be restarted as well. Okay? Once you're done, please check if it's being working. So if you would like to restart your taskbar since it's not responding properly, so you can do that. Okay? In order to reset the taskbar, please press Windows key and R key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up this small window called Run. Here you need to copy a command text that I'll be including at the description box below, which is this. C:/Windows /System32 /ctfmon.exe. Once you are done typing, please click on OK, and in that way you would be able to reset the taskbar. Okay? So that's it. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget also to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on restoring and resetting the taskbar in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now, thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.